Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your slime soft. Right now my slime is pretty hard and it's supposed to be clear, but I made it white. So yeah, it's really stretchy, but it's hard. So you're going to leave your slime out for like 3 hours and then you use some lotion, any kind of lotion, and then you're gonna put it in your slime, just like this. I'll put it in your slime. Like that. Like that. And then you're gonna use your hand and then just start mixing the lotion. Then you're gonna poke it. And then you're gonna flip the slime. Ooh. And then right after that, you're done. And it's soft. Try this at home, guys. It's very stretchy. Stretchy than what it was. I really love this slime. And I got another slime, and it's very, very cool. So I'm gonna show you guys this slime. Okay. It's right here. That's my second favorite. And this is my first favorite. This is my second favorite. I keep it in there. I don't got no other container, so I just keep it in there. Just keep it in there. Okay, bye guys.